Okay, all right. Hey everyone, ABK here. Today we're gonna talk about the things that makes remote life so easy for me. Is the freedom to just grab my rolling bag and go whenever I want. Today we are talking about the Wandrd Transit Carry-on Rolling, the bag that makes my go-to travel companion.
Somewhere, baby, it's part of me, apart from me. Your rain waves to hollow. You fucked it, friend, it's on its head, it struck the street. You're in Milwaukee off your feet. And once I knew I was not magnificent. Straight above the highway. Chicken feet can stick with us. Don't have to see for miles, miles, miles.
When I was looking for the perfect cabin baggage, I had a few must-have. Durable wheels, an easy-to-use handle, and quality materials to protect my gear. I would say this bag ticks all those boxes. The oversized crash-proof wheels on these things are amazing. I've taken it over cobblestone, gravel, pedestrian, asphalt, and you may name it. And it handles it all.
Somewhere, baby, it's part of me, apart
And the two-stage retractable handles is sturdy and comfortable even when I'm pulling it for a long time.
You fucked it, friend, it's on its head, it struck the street. You're in
And the water-resistant material gives me peace of mind when I'm caught in the rain.
once I knew I was not magnificent.
If you're already in the Wandrd ecosystem, this bag plays well with our, especially the camera backpack.
Straight above the
It's got solid handles on every side, which is super convenient.
chicken feet can stick with us.
And one of the other thing I really wanted and appreciate of the Wandrd, it's really easy. You can put your camera cube, which is my backpack. It's also the Wandrd, and your, the Pro and it's easy to carry it, and it's easy to put the camera cube in it. Okay, so I already uh, I already have it, and why not? I just I can put my camera cube wherever I want it.
Somewhere, baby, it's part of me, part of me.
The hard shell back provides extra protection, and the artificial ladder in front is both stylish and durable.
You fucked it, friend.
It feels like it builds to last.
You're in Milwaukee, off your feet. Yes, I knew I was not magnificent.
It is not too big, not too small, just right for a carry-on. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Wandrd Transit Carry-on Rolling. It's a well-designed, stylish, and functional bag. It is an investment, but if you travel a lot, it's worth considering. Because I would take my baggage super easy and take it wherever I wanted. The quality and lifetime guarantee makes it a solid choice, I believe. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.